Your phone is the one thing you carry everywhere. It's basically an extension of your outfit. So why are we still settling for those boring mass-produced plastic cases? If you're a maker looking to turn your yarn stash into a high-profit Etsy or Shopify store, you are in the right place. Today I am showing you the 10 revival-worthy crochet mobile cover designs that aren't just cute, they are high demand, sellable art. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing the number one secret to make this durable enough for daily use. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Botanical 3D collection. On Etsy right now, category is the still king. Think raised puff stitch, sunflower, a tiny 3D lily, or valley vines. Drilling down the back, these have a tactile fidget quality that customers love. Next, let's talk retro checkerboard. This is your Shopify bread and butter. It's trendy, it's Y2K, and it's allow for endless color combination. Use high contrast colors like neon black and softens candy tones like cream and sage. If you want to charge a premium price, think of a $35 to $50. You need to add utility. The crossbody tack bag. By adding a sturdy reinforced crochet strap, you aren't just selling a case, you are selling a hand-free accessory for festivals and travels. The minimalist card slinger. Add a small tight extension pocket on the back for a credit card or ID. Makes your design a must-have for people on the go. We are selling online. Convenience equals conversation. Texture sells through the screen. When a customer scrolls past your listing, they should be able to feel the image. Hope so you like the idea's inspiration. Hit the like button.